Overview of mail formats.
Using Outlook, you can send and receive messages in three mail formats: HTML, Outlook Rich Text Format, and Plain Text. The default format in Outlook is HTML. HTML messages can contain formatted fonts and paragraphs, images, and hyperlinks.
Outlook Rich Text Format is a Microsoft format that only specific email programs understand. It supports features such as bold and italic fonts, paragraph alignment, and bulleted lists. Certain items such as meeting and task requests must be created using the Outlook Rich Text format. Outlook automatically uses the correct format to create assignments and invitations, regardless of your default format settings.
All email programs can understand plain text messages, but text in these messages is always displayed in a plain, unformatted font. Plain text messages also cannot include pictures directly in the message body. Any pictures or files that you want to include in a plain text message will need to be added as attachments.
In most cases, you don't need to choose a message format other than HTML. Email programs that don't support HTML will automatically display a plain text version in the message body. When you reply to a message, Outlook automatically uses the format of the original message.
Regardless of the mail format you choose, Outlook makes it easy to create, read, and send messages.